Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn. Hope you're all doing well. I was just posting this to let you guys know that we will be attending EXPO this year, and I hope to see some of you guys there. I was also hoping to go to Landscape Summit. It's an extremely valuable conference. If I had to choose between the two, I would probably go to Landscape Summit instead. But I've been traveling so much this last month. I've probably I've been out of town probably, every week for the last month or so. And, I need to be home with the kids and stuff. I'm traveling too much. So I am going to EXPO, and the only reason I'm going this year is because of, one, my guys, they love going to EXPO. They're very excited about it. It's kind of their reward for the hard work they do all year. And two, this is the first year that my 9-year-old son has been able to go. He's usually in school, and he's never been able to go, and he's always talked about wanting to go. And this year they just happened to have a fall break from school that falls on those same days. So I will be at EXPO. I'll be bringing, I'll be hopefully bringing some of my guys, and bring my 9-year-old son. But unfortunately, I won't be at Landscape Summit this year. But hoping to get back to that next year when when I'm not traveling so much. But look forward to seeing all of you at EXPO. I'd love to meet everyone, and I'm looking forward to it. Have a good day.